Hello and welcome to another episode of PCS Current News. The topic of discussion is Storm Boris causes damage across Europe. Storm Boris has brought a month's worth of rain and strong winds to large areas of Poland, Romania, Austria, the Czech Republic and Hungary, causing severe flooding. Rivers outflowed, leading to rising death tolls and missing persons as torrential rains are expected to continue. In the Czech Republic, over 250,000 homes lost power, with towns and villages, especially in the Zeseniki Mountains, severely affected by floods and wind damage. Poland saw one death in Kłodzko County, where 1,600 people were evacuated, while the Oder River is expected to reach dangerous levels in Wroclaw. Romania has reported 6 deaths due to flooding, with Galati being the hardest hit. Evacuations have been ordered across Central Europe, and several countries, including Slovakia and Hungary, are on high alert for further floods. The World Weather Attribution Network attributes the increasing severity of such flooding events to climate change. Significantly, Storm Boris was intensified by warm air from the Black Sea and Mediterranean, combined with a blocked weather pattern. Austria, in particular, faces a critical situation with the multiplicity of Lilienfeld cutoff and Vienna's Vienne River overflowing. Poland's Kłodzko region has also been hit hard, with rising waters flooding streets, damaging infrastructure and forcing widespread evacuations. Rescue operations continue across the region, with helicopters deployed and emergency forces mobilized to help those affected. Now it's time for the practice question. What regions have been severely impacted by Storm Boris? Western and Southern Europe, Central and Eastern Europe, Northern and Western Europe, Southern and Eastern Europe. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.